Senate Speaker Ken Lusaka has officially gazetted Tuesday's special sittings to deliberate on the Political Parties Amendment Bill 2021 that was recently passed by the National Assembly. The Senate House Business Committee held a meeting to deliberate on issues to avoid scenarios that took place in the National Assembly. And as KTN's Daniel Kariuki reports, focus has shifted to Senate even as the two warring sides insist they have the numbers.
In a Gazette notice, Senate Speaker Ken Lusaka says the special sitting will kick off on Tuesday at 10:30 a.m. with afternoon sessions slated for 2:30 p.m. During the sittings, part of the business and what has been scheduled as first business of the House is the Political Parties Amendment Bill 2021 that has pitted Deputy President William Ruto and ODM leader Raila Odinga in a political showdown. After a back and forth, accusation and counter-accusations that left the National Assembly in chaos with members involved in blows, the Speaker of the Senate held a meeting of the House Business Committee as they seek to lay strategy to avoid the chaos and mishap witnessed in the National Assembly. Reports indicate that the members agreed to have an electronic voting system. Also, the HBC members agreed to have all the amendments consolidated before the bill is introduced in the House. With focus on the Senate Tuesday, the two sides are ready to battle it out to ensure they employ a strategy that will ensure a win.
I'll give the first opportunity to the Honorable Janet Ongera.
I oppose without thinking.
Political pundits say, just like in the National Assembly, in Senate the two teams will be seeking to show who has more numbers in the House. The Gazette notice maintained the House will dispense the business as highlighted in the Gazette notice. Focus shift to the special sittings.
We require a brave
Daniel Kariuki, KTN News.
Who will not run away when the seat becomes very hot, Honorable Speaker.
Let's now look at the